Well, let me go ahead and say this. I'm gonna hide this, my order number. That's the company, Glomatech. Just found them on the internet. No affiliation. Let's see what we got here. Fort Knox. All right, we got some gloves. Pro Guard, lightweight, 100, like 10 bucks. And then we got the WaterBoss. WB 750 half-inch long L long trigger. Let's crack it open and see what's in it. Okay, this is a bundle. So you got the bundle. I did try this gun. My buddy got one. I'll tell you, the biggest thing I hate about it is my finger rides high and it always locks open, like you see. So I'm gonna take that ring off. Probably. It is kind of cool to have it, but maybe I gotta get used to it. Anyway, so this one comes with the stainless different tips. So you got 2 different tips. It's more about the flow. I'm not even sure. Anyway, the bundle also comes with a swivel, which is not the greatest. Oh wait, we got seafoam. That seafoam is no joke. Get a rag. I'm gonna have to, the jury's gonna be out on this swivel. I may end up changing the one from the red gun, but I'll give it a shot. It's a little tight. Maybe it needs to loosen up. Anyway, so you get these nozzles. I guess it comes with a nozzle. It looks like there's one in there, so you get 2 plus the one in it. It is lighter. It's a half-inch gun. So I'll go ahead and hook that up with some True Blue. And then, yeah, this thing's, there you go. Cracked it open. Okay. So you got the gun. Looks like let me get a pair of pliers. Try to yank this thing out of here. Try to break it before I even use it. Oh, there you go. So then you get this little piece here. So I'll probably put some grease on that right away because I put grease on everything. I don't know how you tell what's the difference in flow, so I don't know. So don't ask me. Okay. And I guess if you want to change out this piece, let's see here if we can tell a difference. Okay, this is obviously more flow, plus RF. It looks to be the same. So let's put that in there. Goes like that. You know what? In fact, I'm gonna put some marine grease on this, on these threads. Okay, there you go. Now we're gonna see how this works. I mean, the nice thing about this gun, let's talk about it. Let's talk it out. So immediately, the first thing I noticed is, I thought it was cracked, but that looks like the piece of handle comes off. It is lighter than a red gun. It feels cheaper than a red gun, like it feels like a piece of plastic in your hand. I could see maybe, I don't know, maybe it's poly or something. I don't know. It is lighter for sure. But you know, the pros is you can take it apart, you can rebuild it. You got extra tips, which is cool. So you don't have to buy a new gun every time it goes down. You can just buy. You can buy. They sell rebuild kits, so you can rebuild it. Right, guys, I think the first thing we need to do is let's demonstrate what the red gun does. Although I've got thousands of videos. When I say thousands, not that many, but you know what I mean. You get your drift. But let's see what this does. So let's crank it up. This thing's still hot. Crank it on right there, on the trigger, right in the line. So let's just get a good visual. So keep a fan tip. It is sticking, look. No hand. No hand. Okay. So that's that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it off right here, and let me switch the guns over, and I'll get back to you. Peace. All right, guys. Here's the two guns side by side. You can see here a little comparison. This gun is smaller. I mean, it's lighter, but this is balanced well. You know what I mean? Like, it's very well. I mean, this is worn out. This thing needs to be replaced, but it's balanced well. You know what I mean? Like, it fits the hand good. Trigger. Trigger's good, but it's new. I expect the trigger. This trigger sticking. I've been spraying it with some WD and other stuff, but I never took it apart to kind of play around with it, but I may do that now since I'm swapping this gun over. Some of the pros of the red gun, the cost is like $100. You get it from Russ Johnson. Comes with the swivel, $100. This one was $185 as a bundle with this swivel here and the two tips. This is rebuildable. This, I don't know if it is rebuildable. It doesn't look like it, but I don't know. Don't see no screws. So, you know, I'm gonna try it out. It's kind of a new thing. So when I ordered this, I asked the guy. I says, "Look, you know, I got to make sure it's stainless. Obviously, see, you know, it's all stainless." And I said, "Who's your target audience? Who's your market? Who do you sell these things to?" And he says, "We sell them to like Frito-Lay, who's a big customer. They spray down everything with bleach." So, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and hook this gun up, and let's get it. I already got this gun on camera. Let me put this gun and see what the difference is. All right, peace. All right, guys, got the orange gun hooked up. Let's see how it works. See, I always get it stuck. So, it is nice. I wish I had a bucket to do a bucket test, but I don't. Because I don't know if this bigger nozzle, I think I'm going to put this bigger nozzle in there. Not that one, this one, the plus plus. This is a stainless nozzle as well. Boom. So I want to see how this flows. So let's see if we can change this real quick. So let's see what the bigger nozzle does. And I didn't touch the unloader because I wanted to keep the same pressure. More flow, less stream. Don't like it. Yeah, so that one was not worth it to me. Alright guys, we tried the plus tip. That's a no-go. Just too much, not enough knockdown power. This is the stock tip, which was okay, wasn't bad. I just put in the RF. Not quite sure what that means. RF. Anyway, I just put that in, so let's check it out. I'll do this with one hand, so hang with me here. Got the RF in, got the trigger on lock, so we can crank it. So give me a minute to crank it up. In fact, I'm gonna put you guys down for a minute. I can hold this. Go ahead and crank it up. Okay, we got it cranked up. Power up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No problem. Of course, we got wind. Knockdown power though. Yeah. Okay, that's the tip right there. Let me shut this down. Okay, that's the tip. At least with my experience, the tip to use is the RF. If you get the kit from this company. And of course, I don't know what anybody else is doing, but here's the company name. You can look them up on Google. They got a bundle. I don't know, I just kind of stumbled across the bundle. But, and here's the breakdown of the gun. All your parts. Very good dude. I ordered it, what's today, Wednesday? Or I ordered it Monday, got it in today, FedEx 2-day. I chose ground shipping, but he sent it 2-day. So anyway, yeah, I mean, the trigger's much nicer. Of course, this was nice when it was new. Not new anymore. It's actually no good. But I'm going to take it apart and just kind of play around with it. The swivel is nicer on this gun. For sure, the swivel is much easier to use. So anyway, that's kind of my initial impressions. Plus, trash. Stock, nah, it's okay. But the RF is on point. RF, I don't know what that means, but it should be RD, red dot. Red dot, you put a little dot on it. Because you need that knockdown power. You know, you get those dirt daubers, those wasp nests in a corner. You know, just some stingy dirt up top. You want to knock it out. That's where that comes into play. So anyway, that's my take on it. I haven't used it on the house. We just got it in. I wish I would have had it earlier. I would have put it on the house. We'll use it tomorrow. Don't worry about it. We're gonna get you. We're gonna get you. Anyway, please like, sub, call, comment. Appreciate all the support. And by the way, thank everybody, because I failed to mention this. We hit 4K subs, which is you know, the purpose for me doing this channel is kind of to give back. You know what I mean? Everybody got to start somewhere. You know, we got a big rig now. We didn't start with a big rig. We grew organically. You know, now we got all the stuff going on with the economy and people that's, you know, please like, sub, call, comment. Appreciate all the support on the channel. Peace.